Today we're going to compare reverse sheet cutters, also known as RS cutters, to tin snips and aviation snips for cutting sheet metal. Now I'm going to compare RS cutters to tin snips for cutting 30 gauge aluminum flashing. First, the tin snips. Let's turn around. Watch those edges. Probably should have worn gloves. Now RS cutters. And again, the further you get into the material, kind of the easier it gets to cut when using RS cutters. And you can see we have a nice clean edge with the RS cutters, unlike the tin snips. Okay, so now we're going to compare aviation snips to RS cutters for cutting 27 gauge steel sheet metal. You got to kind of bend the steel when using the aviation cutters. And take small cuts. Okay. And when you get in pretty far, you probably want to go start from the other side. Now RS cutters. The nice thing about RS cutters is the deeper you get into the material, kind of the easier it gets to cut. And as you can see, we have a nice clean edge here, unlike with the aviation snips. As you can see today, RS cutters are faster and safer than tin snips and aviation snips for hand cutting stiff sheet materials like sheet metal. They are a good addition to your toolbox if you are a roofer, a contractor, or a do-it-yourselfer and you sometimes need to cut stiff sheet materials like sheet metal. To learn more about RS cutters, visit cheetahhpo.com. Thank you for watching.